Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. So, to factory reset this device we need to turn it off first, and this part is a little bit tricky because if you have some kind of screen lock protection turned on your phone, for example pattern like I do, or PIN, password, face unlock, basically if your phone is locked and you don't remember the code to unlock it, you won't be able to turn off the phone normal way by pressing and holding the power button, then pressing on power off and tapping on it again, because you will need to enter the code to confirm and turn off your phone. We can bypass it by pressing and holding the power button and volume down button together, and after we press and hold them, basically after a few seconds the phone will restart, and after it does we need to quickly switch to pressing and holding the volume up button and power button together so we can enter the recovery menu. Okay, so let's start. We need to wake up the screen on our phone, so let's press the power button, then press and hold the power button and volume down button together. Keep holding them until the screen goes black, then quickly switch to pressing and holding the volume up and power together. And when you see the Samsung logo, you can release the buttons and you should enter the recovery menu. Here we can move through this menu by pressing the volume up and volume down buttons like this. Let's scroll down. Select the option called Wipe Data / Factory Reset, and then press the power button to confirm. Now let's scroll down to Factory Data Reset and press the power button again to confirm. Wait until the wiping data is complete. And after it is, make sure that the reboot system now is selected and press the power button to continue. And when you see this screen, that means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.